Hello and welcome to the announcement of the first stage of our Irix Close-Up Contest. 4 countries, over 500 entries, and many outstanding and inspiring photographs were submitted. We were looking for photographs that would move us, that would show us a different perspective of macro photography and open our minds to new close-up ideas. Our contest consists of 3 stages, so even if you don't win today, you still have a chance to win in the next phases. There are 3 awards to be won in the Irix Close-Up Contest in Poland, Spain, Germany and France. First, the Jury Awards, which recognizes the photographer's talent, composition and aesthetics of the photo, as well as the post-production values. Next, there will be the Audience Awards, which will give the floor to all of you, and you can vote for your favorite photos. So this week there will be a special Facebook vote in each country separately, so stay tuned for the information about the start of the voting. And finally, the Irix Team Awards, which will be given by the Irix team to photographers who caught our attention with their photography, presentation of the details, and technical fundamentals of photography. Today, we have the pleasure of announcing the 4 winners who were selected by our jury for the first stage of our contest, which is the Jury Awards. But first, let me introduce to you our grand jury of the Irix Close-Up Contest. Our jury consisted of 3 well-known photographers who are passionate about macro photography and nature photography. It's Marit Ecklenberg, Pierre Escobar, and Alvaro Lamas. Let's find out who the winners are. In France, the nominees are
The winner is Thibaut Andrieux. Bravo Thibaut. The jury was very impressed with Thibaut's picture, which is an Empusa nymph sitting on a branch with beautiful flares in the background, resulting, I believe, from multiple exposures. So we were very impressed by the artistic quality, the graphical quality, the composition, and the beautiful lights of the image. I want to say that Thibaut is a friend and a neighbor, and so I reserved my judgment until my 2 colleagues decided. But they were quite unanimous. They loved this picture, they ranked it first, both of them. And so I had to concur, I liked it also too, and we unanimously decided that this was by far the best image. So congratulations to Thibaut for winning the contest for France.
In Germany, the nominees are
Here is the winner for Germany. It is, drumroll please, Dennis Tijgert. He sent in a photo of a June bug covered in dew droplets, and we all 3 found it so incredibly gorgeous. It really fits the theme nicely, unseen nature, in the sense that the June bug looks like a piece of jewelry. And the thing here is that normally you might want to go for an angle that complements the face and that focuses on the eyes. But what Dennis did here was take a boring angle and make it absolutely fascinating. And that is what really stood out for us. So congratulations, Dennis, with this win.
In Poland, the nominees are
The jury decided to choose as a winner Wojciech Sobiedaj. I'm sorry for the pronunciation, and congratulations to Wojciech for a beautiful picture of a snake poking its head among the grasses. The 3 of us loved this picture. We ranked it among the winners right away, and so the consensus was easy to reach. We love the fact that it's a bit of a different subject, that is technically very difficult to get a picture of a snake like this, and the whole image had beautiful atmosphere, beautiful flares, beautiful colors. We loved it. So it's a well-deserved winning position for Wojciech and his beautiful colubrid snake image. Congratulations!
In Spain, the nominees are
And now the winner for Spain. It is, drumroll, yes please, it is Rafael Bernat Sanchez with an absolutely stunning shot of a spoon wing. What the three of us loved about this photo was the level of creativity. Rafael played around with some colors and it really paid off. The very serious sort of composition that might also be a bit familiar with an insect hanging on a flower or a plant like that. He just added that bit of extra playfulness in the blue, bronze and orange Pokeballs with the little subtle shadow in there. And that just made the difference for us. So a heartfelt congratulations to you as well, Rafael. Well done.
Congratulations to all of the winners of the jury awards. Thank you to everyone who participated in our contest, and a huge round of applause also for our jury who faced a big challenge in selecting the first winners in our contest. See you soon in the next stage of our Irix Close-Up Contest on Facebook, and stay tuned for the voting that will take place this week.